Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limit.
Hi guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I think I am talking to you guys after so long because past 2 weeks I haven't vlogged and yeah, it's just so hot. I was not feeling like talking and making vlogs and doing things just for the heck of vlogs. So I was in my isolated zone and I was just spending my rough days, I should say. Like I was taking rest basically. So yeah, also as you have learned from the title of this video, I have decided to go on this solo date almost with myself because I just needed to get a few things done. And yes, I know these are not just 2 fingers of sunscreen, but this much works for me. It's almost equal to 2-finger rule of using your SPF. So yeah, that's that. I am gonna go on a solo date with myself, and the primary reason why I decided to do that is my haircut. Okay, I have my hair which look really lifeless these days. Those are just looking really dull and flat and boring and lifeless, and I just wanted to treat them right. This is something I've been meaning to do for almost 2 to 3 months now, but I was just procrastinating for this long. But today I decided that I have to just get it done. I might indulge into some other things too. You will obviously see everything along with me, like throughout this vlog.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's
Okay, I'm finally ready guys, and this is how my entire OOTD looks like. I'm super happy. Also, I'm carrying this cute little nice tote bag which is overstuffed clearly, and yes, I have my room very messy, so do not judge that. I'm gonna leave in just 2 minutes or maybe 5, and I'll meet you in my car now. So bye.
simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what.
It's so hot guys, it's freaking 45 degrees Celsius right now, and my car is burning. It's literally burning, and I'm cussing myself constantly. Like, why do I make such stupid decisions? I'm so stupid, I'm sorry. I've just arrived at the salon. I'm super nervous, trust me, because this is my first time to go on any such thing like getting myself treated in a salon, or you know, having food by myself or anything like that. So I'm literally nervous to step out of the car.
You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now.
Yeah, I'm happy. They're feeling super light, and I'm having my green tea right now.
She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through, like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal, 'cause if there is no sequel, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. Turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh,
I just got done having my little nice haircut, as you can see, and getting my pedi done as well. My first ever pedicure it was. Yes, it is my first time that I've gotten a pedicure, and I am not happy with the service. Like, I don't know, I was expecting some major difference in my feet, but no, इतना ज़्यादा difference लग नहीं रहा है. Almost वैसे ही पैर लग रहा है मुझको. But whatever, I've paid the bill already. It was 2832. Yes, I just paid this heavy bill of amount 2832, and abhi I'm just gonna go to some food place to eat stuff and to get my phone charged. My phone is extremely low on battery right now, and yeah, that's all what I am looking forward to.
Need to know that you and I exist inside this paradise, and if we turn the clocks back.
Hi guys, I'm back home, as you can see, and I don't know if you can tell by my face or not, but I just got done crying. Yes, my solo date has been ruined completely, and I'm just super pissed. I don't know, I'm just so pissed right now over myself, over nobody else but myself. I forgot to carry this one thing, because of which the entire day went to the pot. I forgot to take my connector with me, the connector that you put basically into your car's charging port, and then you place your charging cord to it, and then you charge your phone basically. So yeah, I had taken my charger with me, but no, I forgot to carry my connector, and that's how our entire day went to the pot. I literally stopped my car midway and I started contemplating, what should I do? Should I go back home, or should I just go to the cafe and ask the people to give me a seat near by some charging point so that I can, just charge my phone. मेरे phone का battery literally 4% पे आ गया था. Literally 4%. This is how the condition of my phone is, like how bad the condition of my phone is. It heats up a lot, and then when you film, when you record stuff, it automatically goes like that low on battery, and I was like super pissed at myself. Hi guys, it's a new day. I am finally over that miserable day and that miserable solo date. I was so heartbroken that day. You people must have seen that already in the previous clips. So today is a new day. Today is 8th of June and it's currently 5:45 p.m. right now, and I have this little Blinkit order here to share with you guys. Let me show you what all I've gotten here. We have this bottle of black salt because I ran out of this completely. Then we have some olive oil again from Figaro, because again I ran out of my previous olive oil. We have 2 chocolates here. This is Bonville, like Cadbury Bonville in cranberry. I just love this chocolate so much. And then we have some Maggi. Yes, I'm gonna make some Maggi right now in like good 2 minutes only, and this is because of one of you guys, Being Yourself 699. Yes, the girl who I am making this Maggi on the demand of is Being Yourself 699. I don't remember if you ever told me your real name. I think it was Shreya, if I'm not wrong, and if I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments of this video. So I'm gonna make your, like, try out your recipe that you gave me in like one of my previous videos, and you have been requesting me ever since then ki banao didi banao, please banao meri Maggi banao. And so uske liye I just got this Maggi. I was anyway craving to eat some Maggi, so abhi I'm gonna try out your recipe and we'll see how that really turns out.
I lived 100 years of solitude with you, and never questioned what gives anyone the right to believe these superstitions outside of human intuition. 'Cause tonight it's enough for me to know that you and I exist inside this paradise, and if we turn the clock back a couple dials, we should throw
thankful to you, girl. Being yourself, 699. The Maggi has turned out so yummy-licious and I cannot stop eating it. Just so yummy. मैंने अपना t-shirt भी गंदा कर लिया है, but whatever. I'm just so happy for this recipe that you've given me. It took me like at least 4 times of the usual time that it takes for me to prepare my usual onion garlic wala Maggi, but at the same time it's so worth it. It's so yummy. Also, this is my new bed, guys. I know it is looking really crap and hideous right now. My parents have been hating on me for turning my actual real bed into this situation. My sister has already told me that it looks hideous and I should at least cover up this wallpaper part, like she's saying कि इस पे भी फर लगा देने का and then अच्छा लगेगा. And I'm like, I'll do that in some other video, maybe in future if I feel like doing that, to give it another makeover, and I'll obviously share it with you people if I ever do that. For now I'm just okay, jo ho gaya so ho gaya. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys. Like, I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. I read so many of your people's comments who had been asking me ki vlogs banao, post your day in my life videos, and I'm really super thankful for all of you guys who love watching my videos so much. I never imagined कि मुझे इतना प्यार मिलेगा like other creators, trust me. So yeah, I'm really thankful. But for the past 2-3 weeks I wasn't really in a zone where I could film vlogs because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था बहुत repetitive हो रहा है. मैं सारे ब्लॉग्स में ऑलमोस्ट सेम चीज़ करती हूँ. मुझे बहुत अजीब सा फील हो रहा था. दैट क्रिएटिविटी ब्लॉक हैड रियली हिट मी. एंड देन द सेकेंड रीज़न इज़ द हीट. द समर दीज डेज हैड गॉटन टू मी like anything. I cannot tell you. मुझे इतना इरिटेशन होता था. All day, all night, day in, day out, I used to be really irritated, and I used to literally snap at everybody because of irritation, trust me. So मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा irritation हो रखा था. Like अभी भी गर्मी है, but at the same time मैं अपने आप को calm down करने का बहुत try कर रही हूँ. That's all. And another thing I wanted to tell you people is कि I have some pain here, okay? So I went to the dentist, my dentist, the other day. And he told me to get an X-ray done, an OPG done, that I'm gonna go to get done tomorrow. And he told me apparently he can see a wisdom tooth coming out, but he's not sure. And I'm really scared about the situation already because I've seen so many people. So I've watched so many videos on YouTube already where people shared their experience of their wisdom tooth, emerging and then getting extracted and anything. Your entire face just swells up, and your face shape, the shape of your jaw and your mouth even changes, and it's just so discomforting and painful of an experience. So I'm already shit scared about that. So that is why I was not feeling really good about filming my videos. So I was just avoiding everything. And yeah, those were all the tiny little updates that I wanted to give you people. If you really care about my life, I don't know. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to share with you. Also, my skin was doing really bad. Like now though it has gotten far better. The texture has improved so damn drastically, I'm telling you, because I've been using a couple of new products in my skincare, which I'll share with you people super soon. I've switched up my skincare routine and my skincare products completely, so I'm really happy with my new skin. Although छोटे tiny bumps अभी भी हैं, but that टाइम तो बहुत सारा बम्पी हो रखा था. पूरा टाइम मुझे न्यू बम्प्स आते रहते थे ऑन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ माई फेस, एंड आई यूज टू बी रियली मैड एट माई स्किन एज वेल. एंड देन आई हैव गॉटन माई न्यू हेयर कट डन एज वेल, तो उसके लिए भी आई एम हैप्पी. So yeah, abhi I'm in the mood to vlog, and that's why I'm vlogging, and I hope you people understand and everything. I'm gonna enjoy my Maggi right now, and then we will do our skincare. I'm gonna use my facial steamer that I got like 3 weeks back, literally. Like मैंने 3 week पहले मंगाया, and मैंने शो भी किया अपने हॉल में, मिक्स्ड हॉल में, और मैंने अभी तक उसको एक भी बार यूज़ नहीं किया. So that I'm gonna use for the first time tonight. This is my new facial steamer that I was talking about, and I'm not gonna talk anymore. in this segment of the video, because otherwise this video is gonna get stretched to a long length and I don't really want that. So
staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't back.
can you see that plumpy, soft, hydrated skin?
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo.
Okay, look at my glowy, glazy, donut looking skin. I know it's looking too much oily and sticky because it is really oily and sticky right now, but it's gonna get absorbed into my skin like super quickly in like 10-15 minutes by the time I would hit my bed, and in the morning it would be really bright and supple and hydrated and nourished and glowy and bright and everything. So this is my current night skincare routine. I also use a couple of more different products that I'll show you people in my future videos, so stay tuned for those, and do like this video if you really liked it. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will meet you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye.
It's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong.